ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kinongilam jong ka People's Democratic Front hakasni sa jan jong ka khat ar tarik ubnai rempang arajar arpuar kila penpau baka parti kanom pediang da laylay ruem nya ka jing temu jong ka sarkar jilla man wanra ya ka rel kit Briew ne ka rel kit mar kat baka jilla Meghalaya kampat don ki an ki Bapyrkhing ki bante la kam nya ka jingwan rung kerthep jong ki Briew ki manabar ka jilla hakajing keren bat kilat patai khubor u president jong ka parti uba bante dor lingdo bat working president uba Hamletson doling kila ong bakila dep pensngoru ya kani kajing Pyrshah hakmat u menteri rangba ka jilla u Konrad konggal sangma hakakat pratarik ubnai nailur arhajar arpuway.
I think that also it's all the I think statement we have made long time back. I think last 6-7 months me and Hamlet we went and met the Chief Minister also, and we said that right now till now we don't want September. We don't want 18 September. 18 September we met the Chief Minister also for not to introduce good train in our state.
As of now, we are not ready for good train or passenger train in the state of Meghalaya, unless and until we have the proper mechanism to check influx into the state of Meghalaya. As of now, ILP also is still pending, issues still remaining with the government of India. So unless and until we have the strong mechanism to protect the just people of state of Meghalaya, we are not allowed either goods train or passenger train.
You have seen in many time statement it came out from the party, and from the party point of view, we against the illegal transportation of coal, illegal mining. We are not, a part of that. But I'll tell you, from time to time, from the party also, we only approach CM to tackle this issue, to solve this one and for all. We don't want to see it's coming in the newspaper from time to time. So we are against this illegal. You know that very well.
Whenever we have a chance to meet Chief Minister, we always apprise him about this issue. It's high time to apprise the Union government. Please tell the Union government, please say something about ILP. Whether ILP will be granted or will be rejected. That we want from government of India. But we are so sorry the attitude and the stubbornness of the government of India. As now we don't know whether ILP will be granted or see whether they are policies about this issue. The people of state, we want ILP in the state of Meghalaya. Simple. Let the BHP policy the issue, but if the issue of ILP is granted, then we are happy. Border issue, we are glad that this government has taken a very positive way about the border issue. We are expected out of the 12 areas of differences, 6 areas we will go through. But we hopefully the government of India, because the report has reached the ministry, that Home Ministry will recommend the report submitted by the government of Meghalaya. And see, we are at the cabinet. We have discussed so many times about the issue of border. So time will come, you will know, you'll get all the report which you have submitted to the government of in appropriate time. We are not hiding anything, but time will come, you have the right. People of the state have the right to do. But just be patient and wait for time, you will get all the report from there.